Hello, this is Bhaskar Hamberde. I prepared my seminar on the topic of nativism in Bhalchandra Nemade's novels. I want to show you first the life and work of Bhalchandra Nemade's novels. Bhalchandra Vanaji Nemade is his full name. He is a celebrated novelist, poet, and distinguished critic of India. He was born on 27 1938 in the village of Sangvi in Khandes, region of Maharashtra. He received his degree from Ferguson College in Pune and English literature from the Mumbai University in Mumbai. He received PhD and D.Litt degrees from North Maharashtra University. Balchandra Nemade won the prestigious Jnanpith Award in February 2015. Winner of Sahitya Akademi Award, he was conferred with the Padma Shri in 2011 by the Government of India. A native Sangvikar, Bhalchandra Nemade is a prolific author of more than 20 books of novels, poetry, and critical essays. His collections of poetry include Dekhani, Melody, his novels, very popular novel, Kosla, Bidhar, Hul, Zarila, Zul, and Hindu. It is his work. And Bhalchandra Nemade is well known for his theoretical perspective, which is called nativism. Nativism in Bhalchandra Nemade's novels. Nativism, the word which is so similar to nativity, nation, native, and this word, this Nemade's critical position is properly known as nativism. Nativism insists that literature be treated as a subsystem of the native culture and that literature should represent the social reality. It also proposes realism and writerly morality as criteria of critical judgment. The selected novels will be studied in the theoretical premise of nativism, and that is Kosla, Bidar, Zul, Zarila, Hul are rationalistic commentary on the theory of nativism. As we see in the Kosla, there is one character whose name is Pandurang Sangvikar, and Bidhar, Zarila, Zul, this fourth novel, whose main character is Changdev Patil. If you look at the character of this Pandurang Sangvikar, there is a first person narrator, and in Changdev Chatustay, Changdev quadruplet, we will find that there is a third person narrator. Nativistic literary theory. Nativism has an important role to play not only in literary criticism but also in the other areas of our intellectual endeavor. Originally, the concept of Desivad, actually Desivad and nativism, I need to explain here two words or two concepts. Nativism's English version is not, Desivad's English version is not nativism. Actually, I took this word for the sake of understanding only. Desivad is Desivad. It is, we cannot translate it as a nativism. Nativism is a different concept. It is an anthropological concept. So, Ralph Linton, who has coined this concept, but here Desivad means Desivad. It is, we cannot translate it as a nativism. But just for the sake of understanding, I translated, or I am presenting here Desivad in in a translated version as a nativism. Okay, this originally the concept of Desivad was used in world literature, in Indian literary criticism in particular by Bhalchandra Nemade. After realization of the perils of submitting the products of one literary culture to another culture's theories, Nemade observed that modern Indian literature had been basking in the glory of Western modernism, always locating the center of creativity outside the native tradition. So, the next point I want to share with you, this nativism, a theoretical premise. His nativistic theory has affinities with a Marxist ideology. Indian Desivad has some common values: ecological, social, linguistic, and cultural. Desivad naturally negates any imagined space that appreciates the real and aggressively asserts what was otherwise relegated. During the dark phase of colonialism to one's native cultural heritage, Neymade believes that we can naturally express our own perception and can enrich and preserve our distinctive principle of native culture and heritage, etc. The language is a cultural tool, and language is very major factor in nativistic perspective, nativistic theory. So language, which is a vehicle of culture, which is a tool of culture. Culture is network of interacting system, and that interaction take place by the help of this communication, and we communicate with the help of language. Nemade has focused on this aspect of culture, which is so influential factor in the nativistic approach. Actually, in my research thesis, I wrote a lot of on the fact of on the topic of this language, but in a very short way, I am trying to put before you this language, which much matters, because our India has also divided on the basis of language. Here in Maharashtra, if you look at the various areas, we can say the Marathwada dialect, Kolhapuri dialect, Puneri dialect, Latur dialect. These dialects are different from each other, and that is this. This is the language which differs from us. Uh, this language, which has a geographical basis. On the basis of geographical, these differences has taken place. So this language and totally literature is based on the language. That's why if we are trying to trying to perceive the lifestyle of human being in the literature, then we need to first must focus on the language. So at the last, in the point of conclusion, I would like to say every living and patent culture has the inbuilt capacity to convert and absorb suitable external influences into native system. Hence, Nemade advocates that globalization is as a tool to create a situations to throw out outdated customs. In his novels, this aspect of nativism is reflected to preserve one's own culture in the presence of globalization. Thank you, friends. Thank you.